Thanksgiving was so fun this year. The food was so awesome, but it was a big bummer that we didn't see Aunt Carolyn because she got hurt, so she couldn't cook. But definitely my favorite was the mashed potatoes, and the stuffing was also really good, and we had really fun having our huge family together on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving this year was so great because not only was there so much delicious food, but I got to see a lot of family from Florida and California that I obviously don't get to see very often. And one of my cousins who just recently got married came in from Texas, so it was great to see her because I haven't seen her since the wedding. And it was just really great to see everyone and see how everyone's doing and hang out.